Yeah, that's my Great Pyrenees. Here she come. Yeah, that is my Great Pyrenees. Here she come. Yeah, that's my Sophie. Here come the Great Pyrenees. Yes, that's my Great Pyrenees. Take me 40 years to find this dog. Yeah, here she is. And here's the snow. And here's the dog. And she's probably gonna take a nap on the snow. Yep. And this is my garden. In the spring we'll have wildflower here, and all of these are cherries and apple blossom. And here's my Great Pyrenees. I'm taking a snow day today. Close the office. I'm out playing in the snow with the dog. And here is Miss Sophia.